Have you been wondering, what is Clementine essential oil good for? Or maybe, what are the different ways that you can use it, and what can I mix with Clementine essential oil? In this video, I'm gonna answer all of these questions, and I'll also share some fun facts about this beautiful oil called Clementine. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Teaching about the power of essential oils for the past 10 years, and I am very passionate about what I do because what I do changes people's lives. I'm really excited to tell you all about Clementine essential oil. Now, before I jump in, I always like to invite you to stick around to the end so that you can have a chance to access my free Essential Oils Made Easy class. You can also grab my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I jump into this video though, I would love to hear your favorite ways to use Clementine oil in the comments below. Pungent, refreshing, and sweet, Clementine essential oil supplies a variety of benefits, including a lot of cleansing properties. Clementine's citrus scent can improve and uplift your mood. Now let's talk about what Clementine essential oil is very good for. Clementine is a natural hybrid of mandarin and sweet orange, and its essential oil is cold pressed from the peel of the fruit, just like all the other citrus essential oils. Clementine is rich in the cleansing chemical component limonene. However, it is sweeter and zestier than most citrus oils. Clementine may boost the immune system. It may also support metabolic function and support gastrointestinal health. It can help relieve occasional heartburn and indigestion. Clementine essential oil is versatile as it may aid in healthy respiratory function as well as all those other things I already mentioned. Aromatic benefits of Clementine include elevation of the mood and also promoting just positive emotions. Citrus oils, including Clementine, can also help you feel more invigorated and less anxious throughout the day. Not only does diffusing Clementine lift your emotions, it also purifies and cleanses the air and enhances your general health by adding just Clementine on a daily basis into your normal routine. So I'm going to give you 5 ways to use Clementine oil. First, you can add 3 to 4 drops of Clementine to a surface cleaner to enhance the cleaning power and provide sweet and a citrusy smell. Oh, I love it so much. Second, you can diffuse it to encourage a light and pleasant atmosphere. And you can also use it to help ease occasional heartburn and indigestion by adding 1 to 2 drops of Clementine to your juice or your water. And you can also try this as a nice flavor, as it is also reinforcing your digestive health. It's also great as a natural cleansing for like your skin and using in your shampoo, so you can add a drop to your shampoo and rub it through your hair. Now, if you're gonna use it on your skin, just make sure to keep that part of your body out of the sun for 12 hours because anything citrus is photosensitive. Sometimes people like to use Clementine to help promote healthy metabolic function. You can do that simply by adding it to your water and just a drop or 2 and drinking that throughout the day. Here's a few fun facts about Clementine essential oil. It is cold pressed from the rind of the fruit, and it is a hybrid, like I said at the beginning. It's actually named after Brother Marie Clement, who ran an orphanage in Algeria during the late 19th century and grew the very first Clementine in their garden there. Clementines blend well with arbor vitae, citrus bliss, coriander, spearmint, peppermint, and brave. Clementine is also found in doTERRA's Motivate blend, our Thinker blend, and the Tropical Spa Lip Balm. To purchase Clementine or one of my starter kits, go ahead and check the description below. I would love to help you get started with your very first essential oil collection. And now, anytime you get started with us, you also get access to all of my courses, and all the great community aspects that we have. It's freebie time. You made it to the end, and so I want to make sure that you get access to my private Essential Oil Made Easy class. You can do that by registering in the link below. I'm also excited to give you a chance to grab my Essential Oils Made Easy guide with common uses and so much more, and that link is in the description as well. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button, and please reach out to me if you want to schedule a free wellness consultation and talk more about essential oils that might be specifically great for you, even learning how to get a 25% off discount. Thanks so much for watching.